Hello everybody and welcome to Mother Rabbit's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you the easiest from scratch snack that takes only minutes to prepare. And it kind of dawned on me recently that I was trying all of these from scratch snacks that, while they're great and the kids enjoy them to an extent, there's nothing that compares to the way my kids flip out over these croutons. And they're so easy because I just take whatever bread is left over, the homemade bread that I make with the freshly milled wheat. If you haven't watched that video yet, I will link it. I'll probably put it up in a corner here if I can figure out how to do that. So yeah, go watch that video and start making that bread. But when you are at the ends of your bread or your bread's getting a little stale, it is time to make crispy croutons. And these are so nutritious because, again, made with the freshly milled wheat berries. And then on top of that, we're gonna chop them up right here and then toss them with some really good quality extra virgin olive oil, some salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. Bake them in the oven, and that is it. They bake up to be the crispiest, crunchiest, most delicious little pop in your mouth snack. And on top of that, if you have any left over after your kids try to devour them, you can keep them in an airtight container for several days and they will stay crispy. So I even pack them in my kids' lunch boxes now instead of packing those GMO-filled goldfish and pretzels that have all of that processed white flour. I just pack them croutons and they go insane over them. So just watch how I do this and you will see how easy it is and how many nutrients you can get into your kids' bodies by just giving them this little snacky snack. Show you how crunchy these are. Crispy. You hear that? Mm-hmm.
Well done! I'm taking
You can all get it. I'll take a picture. All right, good. All right, are we okay? Say cheese. We're just trying to get into it. All right, good.